Hello, I'm a cube. I'm Robocube, and this over here is Bumbleballs.
Stop calling me Bumbleballs.
Bumbleballs, turn the colour on.
Colour is on.
Robocube.
Transform.
Oh wow, you look pretty cool.
Thanks, Bumbleballs.
Hooray!
Robocube.
Transform.
Robocube.
Transform.
Hi there, that's my completed version of Robocube. Give him a thumbs up if you like him. He looks pretty cool all folded out in robot. Boom, there's the back of him. Ooh, and let's have a look at, he's got little red feet.
Let me see.
Oh, come on, Bumbleballs, get off me.
I'm Robocube. On my right is Bumbleballs, and over here to my left is Gan Robot.
Now let's see if this Gan Robot can solve me. Whoa, that was awesome.
I think it only works on smart cubes.
Hey, what did you say?
I'll go get one. See, pretty cool.
Let me have a look. What?
You need to be in cube form.
Robocube.
Transform.
I
can't transform. Give me a lift up there, Bumbleballs.
You're too big for it.
I can't no more, I got the world.
I'm Robocube, and this over here is... Where are you, big fella? Oh, there he is on the supercomputer.
It says here robots can't feel love.
Okay.
Robocube, what is love?
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
And that is love.
You answered the question with a question.
Come over here for a minute.
Okay.
Forget about love.
Don't tell me what to do, I'm sick of you bullying me.
Settle down, Bumbleballs.
Stop calling me Bumbleballs. My name is Voltron. I am Voltron. Voltron is king.
Bumbleballs, snap out of it. Wake up, big boy.
Stop, enough, I'm awake. I was just having a daydream.
You've lost the plot, lad. Come and watch some TV with me. Hey, take a seat.
You're sitting on the only lounge, and I don't have knees.
Oh.
What are we watching?
You can clean your cube with your parents' toothbrush. Get rid of all the organisms.
It's a documentary about cube hygiene.
Organisms are everywhere. Now, scratch your balls. Go on. If you don't have balls, scratch whatever else might be down there. Now, smell your fingers.
Don't do it. Bro.
What is love?